Today I'm going to talk about the foods that every woman should know about because eating them can help naturally balance their hormones.
Balancing hormones naturally is crucial for women's overall well-being, and diet plays a significant role in this. Today, we'll explore 5 powerful foods recommended by Dr. William Lee that can help women achieve hormonal harmony. These foods not only support hormone balance, but also boost gut health, energy levels, and overall vitality. But first, why hormones are so important.
Well, hormone is a chemical messenger that's made in your body that tells one organ or multiple organs what to do in order to function for health. Now, hormones can affect you physically, they can affect you mentally, they can affect you emotionally, and hormones can even affect you socially. There are social hormones that your brain actually produces. We're going to talk about some of those. Hormones are also key for sexual health and for function and for reproduction. So if you want to have a baby, your hormones have to work well, both if you're a man as well as if you're a woman.
So hormones play a vital role in women's health, influencing everything from reproductive functions and menstrual cycles to mood, energy levels, and metabolism. They help regulate physical and emotional well-being, supporting everything from fertility and bone health to managing stress and maintaining a healthy weight.
Now, how many hormones are in the body? That's a great question. There's probably hormones we haven't discovered yet, but as of last count, there's about 50 hormones that are circulating in a human body.
First food group is protein.
First, you need to eat foods that are a good source of protein if you want to balance your hormones. Now, why is this? It's because proteins are made out of amino acids, and you need to put those into your body, and your body will break them down, and they will reassemble hormones out of those amino acids. So if you don't have enough, you're not going to be making proper hormones.
Dr. William Lee recommends several excellent sources of protein that support hormonal health. Organic free-range eggs are a rich source, offering high-quality protein that aids in hormone synthesis. Legumes like lentils and edamame are plant-based options packed with protein, making them great for those who prefer a vegetarian diet. Lean meats such as fish and chicken also provide crucial amino acids. Smaller fish like sardines and anchovies are particularly beneficial as they are lower in mercury. These protein sources not only help in producing hormones, but also in maintaining overall hormonal balance.
So what are some good basic sources of protein if you want to kind of make sure your body's got balance of your hormones? Well, some common good sources of protein are eggs. It's a myth that eggs aren't good for your health. Eggs, particularly organic free-range eggs, are actually really great sources of protein.
Second food group is colorful vegetables.
Now, the next food I want to talk about are colorful vegetables. You've heard about this, eat the rainbow, right? Well, colorful vegetables, like I always think about sweet peppers, right? Yellow peppers, red peppers, orange peppers, green peppers. To me, that's a great example of a single food that has different colors to it. But then actually, if you think about all the other types of vegetables out there, you got your carrots and you've got your Swiss chard. They've got all kinds of different colors to them. They not only have prebiotic bioactives, polyphenols, but they also tend to have a lot of dietary fiber.
Brassica vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale are particularly beneficial. These veggies contain isothiocyanates, prebiotic polyphenols that support gut health, reduce inflammation, and help balance hormones. They also play a role in detoxifying the body, which is crucial for eliminating excess hormones and preventing imbalances. Mushrooms are another excellent food for hormone health. Varieties like shiitake, enoki, and portobello are rich in beta-glucan. Dr. Lee emphasizes not to discard the stems, stipe of mushrooms, as they contain twice as much beta-glucan as the caps, making them a potent addition to your diet. Avocados are also highlighted by Dr. Lee as a valuable food for hormonal health. They are rich in healthy fats and dietary fiber. Third food group is omega-3 fatty acid.
Now, let's talk about another category of foods that can help keep hormones in balance, and that is your omega-3 fatty acids. These are healthy fats. Now, you can get these healthy fats from plant-based foods. Okay, you get the precursor, linoleic acid. Chia seeds have them as an example. When you eat them, your body has to convert the linoleic acid from the chia seed. It converts it into omega-3s. All right. And it's actually a useful thing if you're a vegetarian or you're a vegan to know that seeds like chia seeds can actually be a good source of omega-3s. But if you actually eat fish, That's where the most abundant omega-3s get you, just delivers it right home, right target, hits the bullseye.
For individuals who do not consume seafood, plant-based sources of omega-3s, such as chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts, are excellent alternatives. These foods contain ALA, a different type of omega-3 that the body can partially convert into EPA and DHA. Seaweed, such as wakame and kelp, is another valuable source of omega-3s, especially for those following a plant-based diet. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet can help regulate cortisol levels, reduce inflammation, and promote a balanced hormonal environment, leading to improved overall health. Fourth food group is iodine.
So if you feel warm or you feel cold, that's all due to whether or not your thyroid hormone is actually doing its job and balance. Now, what happens if you have too much thyroid hormone? Well, guess what? That's called hyperthyroidism. And what are you going to do? You're going to feel really hot and sweaty. Heat generation goes way up. And if you're low in thyroid hormone, you're going to feel cold and you're going to lack energy. Again, I'm telling you this because this is why hormones need to be balanced. All right. So what foods are good for hormonal health? Well, answer is pretty simple. You want foods with iodine. Iodine is an element, all right, in the environment, and your thyroid needs the iodine in order to be able to function properly.
The thyroid gland, located in the neck, plays a crucial role in regulating metabolism, energy levels, weight, and body temperature through the production of thyroid hormones. These hormones are essential for numerous bodily functions, and maintaining their balance is vital for overall health. One of the key elements necessary for proper thyroid function is iodine, a trace mineral that the thyroid gland uses to produce thyroid hormones. Dairy products like yogurt can be a surprising source of iodine, as cows are often fed iodine to maintain their own thyroid health, which is then passed on through their milk. Fifth food group is plant-based diet for insulin.
I can't talk about hormones without mentioning insulin. Insulin is a hormone that is made to help regulate your metabolism, how much energy you actually have in your body. And we all want to have energy. And whatever you're eating, make sure that actually it's mostly plant-based, right? You're not eating added sugars like sodas. You're not eating too many cakes and candies and cookies. All that stuff is just like pure sugar, like entering your body. Look, that's going to put a strain on your body as well. So you want to eat moderately, okay, 80% full. You don't want to overeat. You want to eat healthy things, and you want to cut down or cut out some of the ultra-processed foods that have been associated with type 2 diabetes.
Insulin is a vital hormone produced by the pancreas that plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels and overall metabolism. It helps cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream to be used for energy or stored for future use. Dr. William Lee emphasizes the importance of a mostly plant-based diet to maintain insulin balance and overall hormonal health. Plant-based foods are typically lower in calories and high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This reduces the demand on the pancreas to produce insulin, helping to maintain balanced levels. Plant-based diets are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which further support metabolic health and insulin sensitivity. Sixth food group is for oxytocin.
Research in the lab has found that when you have lactobacillus reuteri, even in drinking water in the lab, so you have rats drinking their bottle, drinking water, guess what? That actually helps the brain produce and release oxytocin. So you can also find it in foods. So probiotic foods. So what's an example of a probiotic food with lactobacillus reuteri? That's good for brain health. That actually helps your brain release social hormones. Guess what? Parmigiano Reggiano cheese.
Oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone or social hormone, is produced by the brain. Dr. William Lee discusses how certain foods can support oxytocin production by promoting a healthy gut microbiome, which is closely linked to the production and regulation of this hormone. Foods rich in Lactobacillus reuteri have been shown to enhance oxytocin levels. Parmigiano Reggiano cheese and sourdough bread are excellent sources of Lactobacillus reuteri. Yogurt containing live cultures is another good option for supporting gut health and, by extension, oxytocin production. Additionally, some dietary supplements are formulated to include Lactobacillus reuteri, providing another way to support this vital hormone. So in this video, we have learned 6 food groups suggested by Dr. William Lee for the normal hormonal balance in women. If you find this video beneficial, don't forget to subscribe.